Hi everybody, Stu here, your local Florida native guide. Today I'm going to show you around Riviera Beach, Florida in Palm Beach County. One of my favorite local beaches close to my house. It's where I come to look at turtles all summer and help the turtle ladies. It's a beautiful beach, a lot of nice little trails and stuff just down to the water. Kind of rough today. Let's go take a look at the big surf. Riviera Beach in Palm Beach County at sunrise. Very beautiful beach. Lots of hotels. I highly recommend it. It's a beautiful morning. All the surfers are very happy. Look at those waves. Whoop, there go my shoes. Holy crap! It's coming all the way up to the damn back of the dunes. Look at this. Unbelievable. Look at that! Holy! Whoa! Unbelievable! Wow! One of those moments. That's all in life. Here we are on our way back down to the park. It's usually pretty quiet here, a lot of people exercising, but today there's a Blues and BBQ Festival going on. Let's go take a look. This is the park that is associated with Riviera Beach. Picnic tables, some grills, bathrooms, freshwater showers. It's kind of nice. Here's the Blues and BBQ Festival getting started. They're just setting everything up. There's the band. Looks like you're going to have some good food. I see a bar or two. Looks like fun. More of the park, and there's where I'm heading. the bar. Close up for the music from Johnny Longboats. Fun place. Johnny Longboats to finish my walk. That's breakfast. Cleaned up the place quite a bit. There's the music. I'm going to do my little video here, my favorite way to end the day walking on the beach in the morning. From breakfast, or libation. Thank you again for watching today. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my upcoming Florida adventures over the next couple of years through all of my favorite places throughout the entire state. Thanks again and have a great day.